Galaxy Park Jember, located in Desa Tempurjo, Jember, only 30 minutes from the city center. Get your free access to the perfect destination from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Step into the mini zoo, where fascinating creatures await. Get up close with crocodile, friendly deer, mesmerizing snakes, and much more. For bird enthusiasts, marvel at the colorful collection casularis, majestic albatross, owl, elegant swans, and playful pigeons. Relax by the fish pool and enjoy the serene atmosphere. Watch vibrant fish swim gracefully or join the fun by feeding them. Want to take the experience home? Visit the store to purchase fish and fish food. Looking for a peaceful escape? The wide, beautiful park is the ideal setting for a relaxing picnic with your loved ones. Don't forget to stop by the souvenir store. From elegant flower vases to unique accessories, wall displays, bracelets, and even dolls, there's something special for everyone. Feeling hungry? Take a break at a mini restaurant with outdoor seating. Enjoy delicious meals while soaking in the beautiful surroundings. For a unique dining experience, visit the cafe with an aquarium view. And if you're in need of groceries or shopping, we've got you covered with a well-stocked store. Visitors are anxious to feel like home. The iconic floating hotel offers a tranquil space for pleasure and reflection. Galaxy Park Jember promises a delightful experience for everyone. Come and create memories that last a lifetime.